So today's video, I'm actually going to try to achieve one of those golden glowy face makeup looks that I see a lot of the makeup artists on YouTube doing. So if you're interested in seeing how this look turns out, definitely stay tuned. I bought a new eyeshadow palette from Ulta. This is the Morphe brand makeup palette or eyeshadow palette, and here are the colors that I got. So I liked it because they had some really bold, fun colors that I could work with, and then just also a lot of neutrals. The only thing about it is this has a lot of shimmer eye colors, and I like mine that has like a lot of heaviness up here above the eyelid and really not that much of the mobile lid that shows. Shimmer sometimes doesn't look that good if you don't use it correctly. Like, I really shouldn't use a shimmer on this part of the eye just because it makes it look really more bulgy. So I could probably just use it mostly on the mobile lid, which is fine, which is what I intend to do. But the first color that I'm gonna go in with for the whole eye is this nude tone right here. Hopefully this will show. I'm having a little bit of a dilemma here because here are the colors that I'm considering using on my eyelid, and I think I really like this one here. Hopefully it's showing up on here. It's more of a rosy toned color, rosy gold, and it's called Three Little Words, and that is this color right here. And I just like the way that looks. I'm going to use the color, it's called Turned On, and it's like a rust color, or it's not really rust, it's like a burnt umber color. It's this one here. I really hope I don't regret using that. It's going to be this one here. I'm not really skilled with putting on a lot of different colors, but well, what I didn't want to happen is happening, so it looks like this big orange splotchiness on my face, but I'm going to try to mute it by putting another neutral tone on top of that and kind of soften it up. But I did want to go with this color because I was trying to create a very warm look to my face. I believe that I'm starting to reduce that red look by using a little more of this first color that I was using, that neutral beige. And I'm using this big fluffy brush here, and I'm just putting a little bit of that on here and rubbing it across all of that orange and trying to buff some of it out. I'm gonna go ahead and finally put on my foundation. I use this NARS foundation. This color is Stromboli. I just really like this. Got this as a sample. This is Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops Moonlight or Clair de Lune. So I think I might have gotten this like in a Sephora thing, but as you can see, it's those like glow drops. And so I'm going to go ahead and apply those where I've seen most people do this, which is right on top of the cheekbone. Use the Beauty Blender to blend that in. I'm not gonna put too much on. I'm just gonna keep layering it if I feel like it's not showing up enough. Whoa, that was a lot. That I think is probably going to end up being way too, well, maybe not too shiny. Maybe not. Maybe it's not that bad. Of course, it's really hard for me to see without my glasses, so let me just put this magnified mirror up and look. No, not so bad. I mean, you know. Let's see, the other side. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Need to get up close, folks. Gonna put a little more. Now I'm going glow crazy because I'm starting to like the way that looks. But I'm gonna do a little more. I'm now going to go ahead and put some bronzer on, and I'm going I'm going to line my lips with this Revlon lip pencil in Nude. It's kind of, it has a bit of a pinkish tone to it as well, but I'm going to just use this. I don't know if you guys can actually see the color. Now that I have my lip liner on, I'm going to go in with this Smashbox lip gloss. Again, this was a sample as well, and I've had this for a while, and this color is Illume. Hopefully you can get an idea of what the color looks like, but I don't know. There you go. It's a gold color. Alright, so I changed into a plain cardigan. It's just a plain button-down cardigan. But what I like about this is it has gold threads shot through. And it also kind of gives the appearance of being like silvery as well. It's really weird, but I like it. It's kind of like a cross. You can't really tell if it's gold or silverish. I don't know if you can pick that up so much on the camera. I decided not to do my hair earlier when I washed it. I just put the cream product in it and kind of twisted it up. So although it's still curled, it doesn't have the normal ringlets that I do. So I decided to just kind of pin it up. And I like the way this kind of looks like flames, but I am going to put this little headband on that I purchased a few months ago. I think I have a video about headbands that I purchased, and I think this will tie in nicely with the earrings and the gold threads in the sweater. But if I decide to wear my hair out, I think that headband will work with that as well. So I'm just going to give that a shot and see how it looks just out. Anyway, I get my hair cut this week. I think it's either Wednesday or Thursday. I cannot remember, but I'll definitely be back on to show you the results. And as usual, thank you so much for dropping by my channel. I'll see you next time.